His name. Sorry.
What's that?
Scapula.
The scapula. Yes. And this is the subscapular fossa. Okay. And here we have the spine, and therefore below, inferiorly of the spine, will be the infraspinous fossa, and superiorly of the spine will be the supraspinous fossa. At the end of the spine will be the acromion. So the other process is the coracoid process.
Acromion.
Acromion and coracoid. And then in the superior border, before reaching the coracoid, you see the suprascapular notch.
Okay, that little hole.
Yeah, that little, well, kind of like an incomplete hole. That.
Okay.
Suprascapular notch, arteries and nerves and veins go through there. And then the glenoid cavity. What meets there? That's another question I'll be throwing you guys. What part of the humerus?
The head?
Yes, so I'll be asking questions such as what part of another bone meets at this location? And then I just point. What parts of another bone meets at this location? What I'm asking is, for example, the humerus, that's right, but what part of the humerus? The head. Yeah. So that's what I mean by being specific. Yeah. And I'm not going to be asking you about the border, superior and lateral, okay? Or the angles, okay, the inferior and the lateral and the medial. I won't ask you about that. But I will ask you whether this is the right or the left. The spine is posterior and the subscapular fossa is anterior. So this is the posterior side, this is the anterior side. The glenoid cavity points laterally, so this is the lateral side, this is the medial side, therefore this must be the left scapula.
What type of bone is it? Is this the tricky one?
Irregular.
No, this would be irregular.
Irregular? Okay.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Is joint